Have you ever attempted to take on a project or venture by yourself? I mean, really attempted something meaningful and impactful for you or your family. How did that turn out for you? Did you fail miserably? Did it just break even? Or was it powerful enough that it made your friends and relatives look at you with pride or all-out jealousy? Was it something that you were so proud of that you went to tell them about it before the results even came to fruition? Yeah, I think we've all been there at one point. Regardless of if that was a business venture, real estate deal, invention, or even just a way of doing something, we've all tried and we've all failed. Do you know the reason you made that attempt in the first place? I do. It was because you weren't satisfied with the lifestyle and welfare you and your family were currently in. It was about the hope of safety and prosperity for your family. So you didn't have to face foreclosure. So you didn't have to get evicted. So you didn't have to sell your family RV. So you don't have to pay off only a fraction of that credit card bill once again. I want to invite you to something that has the power to give you back that hope you once had and have been secretly looking for. On the next page, there is a 3-minute movie that explains a system that has the power to transform and significantly add to your lifestyle at whatever level that may be. Leave your name and email address to get instant access